What's up, everybody? It's Tioka with Vagabond Culture, your #1 source for everything travel, adventure, and lifestyle. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I post a new video. I won't take too much of your time. Fall is one of my favorite times of the year. Great food, amazing friends, and the best of times. What you're about to witness are 12 amazing Oktoberfests here in the United States and what to expect. Grab a beer, bratwurst, and get comfortable. Set in Southern California, this 49th annual Oktoberfest celebration starts in mid-September and runs right through the first Saturday in November. Put your dancing shoes on because you'll definitely want to do the chicken dance, or circle dance, or even enter into one of the free contests like saw a log, hold a stein, or slam a beer. The Alpine Village Oktoberfest is one of the oldest and largest Oktoberfest celebrations, attracting over 100,000 visitors every year in October. The wide variety of Bavarian entertainment includes Germany bands, sing-along, yodeling competitions, and even fun contests like pretzel eating.
You gotta eat like a bird! Oh my god, we're almost done! We're almost done here! You're almost done, buddy! We have 2 more bites! Oh my god! We're done! Yeah!
This annual Minnesota Oktoberfest will take place in 4 locations in New Ulm on the first 2 weekends in October. The locations offer German-style polka, horse-drawn trolley rides, hometown bands, tours of various buildings and monuments, Shell's Brewery. Oh yeah, don't forget to try grape stomping on the first Saturday of the festival. From October 11th through the 13th, attend the Oktoberfest at Tempe Town Lake, Arizona, offering an unusual blend of polka, German bratwurst, strudel, and beer with salsa and Southwest foods. 4 stages of live music, John Madden football tournament, lots of video games, and arts and crafts for the kids. During the first 4 weekends in October, Hermann, Missouri goes all out to invite people to experience the sights and sounds. The Oompa bands are playing. The colors and breathtaking views of Missouri's countryside are vibrant, and the smells of authentic German brats and beer are in the air. On October 4th through 6th, welcome to the polka capital of Texas, Fredericksburg. Texas isn't all barbecue and rodeos. Their celebration includes their traditional hot strash chicken dance, beer, traditional German foods, and also pickle on a stick, funnel cakes, and corn dogs. This annual Minnesota Oktoberfest will take place in 4 locations in New Ulm on the first 2 weekends in October. The locations offer German-style polka, horse-drawn trolley rides, hometown bands, tours of various buildings and monuments, Shell's Brewery. Oh yeah, don't forget to try grape stomping on the first Saturday of the festival. If you enjoy my videos and have subscribed to my channel, you'll love my Instagram page. Be sure to follow me for amazing travel and adventure photos and videos. Follow me on Instagram at Vagabond Culture. I post weekly. Welcome to Wurstfest, which recently expanded to accommodate even more guests, including a carnival, a Bavarian marketplace, food trucks, and 5 music stages. It even has a craft beer garden for its small local Texas breweries. Best of all, this Oktoberfest celebrates for 10 days, but not until early November, saving the best for last. Fall may be in full swing, but don't let the drop in temperatures fool you. Things are just heating up at Hofbrauhaus Las Vegas every Friday and Saturday in October. You'll party like you're in Bavaria. Enjoy the live Bavarian music and celebrity keg tapping.
What time is it?
Keg tapping time!
What time is it?
Keg tapping time!
Leavenworth, Washington is a Bavarian village all year round, and Oktoberfest is their time to shine. Spread over the first 3 weekends in October, you can partake in all the classic Oktoberfest activities with the snowy Cascade Mountains in the background. When you start to get hungry, turkey legs, pulled pork sandwiches, and barbecue ribs are all on the menu. If your kids are coming along, a bouncy house and clown named Elbow will provide entertainment. As one of Tulsa's most celebrated festivals, Linde Oktoberfest has a long and storied history of providing authentic German food, drinks, and fun. This year marks the 49th annual Oktoberfest in Helen, Georgia. This small town in Georgia, population 572, has one of the oldest Oktoberfest celebrations. Dance the polka with locals, shop handcrafted German imports, and try authentic food and drinks including goulash, bratwurst, and Reuben sandwiches. So now that you know the history of the Oktoberfest, you guessed it, welcome to this month's giveaway. To enter, comment on my last 3 videos, follow me on Instagram, and share one of my Instagram posts. For more information, check the description area. Good luck. This giveaway expires next Saturday. I don't know about you, but I'm so hungry right now watching this video. Whether you're from Germany or German for a day, you definitely want to attend a fall festival at least once before you kick the bucket. You won't be disappointed. These fests promise the best in Germany, beer and music. Between the beautiful settings and the entertainment schedule, Oktoberfest events are difficult to beat by a fall getaway. Dance, sing, eat, and be merry. Thank you guys so much for watching my entire video and leaving a comment below. Please let me know if you have any travel or adventure video suggestions. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you're notified every time I post a new video. See you next time.